Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
All right, so we are back. So September's here, so we are back. And I hope everyone had a chance to take a break and enjoy some free time. I don't know if it was your case, but I really enjoy my free time. So thank you for all of you that got the Now You Know guidebook. We are now reaching 1,000 copies sold on Amazon. And I'm glad that some of you already purchased that. And the Now You Know guidebook, if you did not do it yet, if you didn't buy it yet, I think this guy here might be able to help me to convince you the value you are getting from the Now You Know guidebook.
First off, let me say this. If you are looking for a book that will teach you how to make $1 million in 15 minutes online, this isn't the book for you. Now, if you are looking for a guidebook with 101 practical and proven actions that will help you to get noticed online and build listeners that will resonate with your messages, all without relying on costly advertisement campaigns and mortgage your home in the process, then here it is. Now you know. The practical guide that will help you to succeed online. The truth is, the online world is very noisy, and people now generally lose concentration after 8 seconds. The average attention span for the notoriously ill-focused goldfish is 9 seconds. Hey humans, goldfishes are winning. Sign of the times. Still here with me, Neo? Good. That just highlights the effects of an increasingly digitized lifestyle on the brain. Your messages will not go anywhere without a plan. Therefore, if you want to work in increasing your buzz online and have your messages heard, this guidebook is your route map. Get the Now You Know guidebook today.
Okay, so that being said, let's continue on season 3 where we left off on previous season, okay? So today we're going to talk about tagging famous people online. Most people get this completely wrong, actually. They miss big time with the idea. Usually people love to tag influencers, for example, celebrities or heavy users. But the way they do is that they just tag them trying to, fish, and maybe 1 in a million the guy is going to see the post and might retweet or might comment on the post. But that's not the strategy that you should use, because when you do that, like randomly, trying to tag someone, you need to really to study the profile and the person itself, himself or herself, very well, because you need to not only tag them, but make your post relevant to them. So that's the big issue. It's not only about tagging, but it's about trying to get the attention from these celebrity influencers to something that is related to them. So that's the important thing. So when you tag famous people, you need to make relevant to them, and you might ask why to do that, right? Why to tag famous people? Well,
it's free real estate.
That's right. It's free real estate. You never know what's gonna be if they are followers, and usually those people has like over 1 million followers, right? So maybe if they took action, reply your tag with a comment or reshare, so maybe you get opportunity to be seen by their followers, right? So that's why it's important to play that little trick here to try to get even more attention to your profile and to your page, whatever it is, right? So you can tag them in a question. For example, you know that they are expert in certain subject and they would be pleased to share their opinion or view, right? So that's one way. For example, if you are tagging, a movie celebrity, maybe you might make a question about the movie itself or something that is related to his job. And again, you need to do your research before you tag someone. So I'm no celebrity, and I receive a volume of tags that I had to answer. So it's not about to be a celebrity or to be an influencer or not, but if you use that tagging with a good research, you really get the attention of the person you are tagging. And that's the key, right? So again, it's not something that you're going to do randomly, on social media, but you're going to really try to, maybe the first thing you can do is try to see people in your field and, seniors maybe, and you can tag them for questions about the subject that you are covering as well, and they cover, right? So, in the end, humans are very curious creatures, right? And I bet even if the influencer did not answer, but he or she probably read your question, or at least the staff did that in case of celebrities, right? So it's okay, keep trying different approach. Do not need to be only questions. You could share an article, for example, or a news that might relate it to someone you're tagging along. And again, the choice how you're going to tag is up to you, but the only thing you need to be careful is to make it relevant to them. Okay, so as action, identify some users, like I said, like influencers, celebrity, or heavy users that you'd make sense to you and to your field. And maybe even if you're in your future, for example, maybe you are not in your field right now, but you're a student, you're a college student or whatever, and you're trying to get into that field. So that's one approach you can use. You tag them, the major people, influencers on your field, right? So that being said, again, try to study their profile, try to understand what is the content what kind of content they share, what kind of information they share, and what is their interest, right? Then you would make them to go wow if you tag them with the right content. And basically that's it. Okay? So again, we are back and welcome to season 3. So share this podcast with someone that you know. So let's hope that on season 3 we can get even bigger. And I count on you and thank you all in advance for that. Okay? So see you soon again. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.